guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best iPhone docks. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the iPhone docks in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best iPhone docks on the market right now. Coming at number 9, we've got the 12 South HighRise 2. This modern dock has a sleek-looking design that'll complement any office setup. The 12 South HighRise 2 has a cleverly designed metal body that allows you to also use it with an iPhone or thicker devices like an iPad or a Nintendo Switch. It includes a Lightning and a micro USB cable and comes in black, silver, and white. Coming at number 8, Lamical iPhone Stand. This modern iPhone docking station is made from aluminum, comes in multiple colors, and has a convenient pass-through hole for your charging cable to slide through to help keep your desk tidy. The dock's adjustable multi-angle design is perfect for FaceTime video calls. The stand stays sturdy, and it has rubber pads to prevent it from sliding on your desk or end table. Best of all, it costs less than $15. It's worth mentioning that Lamical also makes a stand for MagSafe supported iPhones as well. Coming at number 7, Belkin Powerhouse Charge Dock. The Belkin Powerhouse dock can simultaneously charge with iPhone and Apple Watch via an integrated magnetic charger. The setup allows the dock to charge both an iPhone and an Apple Watch using only one cable, which is included. It comes in black or white, and it's a cool and convenient iPhone docking station. We like that it's adjustable to accommodate your iPhone's case. Number 6, Belkin Boost Up Charge Pro 3-in-1. This 3-in-1 wireless charger can simultaneously charge an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and a set of AirPods. It has an elegant design with stainless steel bits and impeccable build quality. We like that this wireless charger can also hold MagSafe toting iPhones in landscape, great for watching videos or portrait mode. The product also displays an LED status light and comes with a 2-year warranty. It's available in black or white. Coming in at number 5, Belkin Boost Up Charge Pro 2-in-1. Belkin's Boost Up Charge Pro 2-in-1 charging stand has a beautiful design and craftsmanship. The accessory has a fast and convenient MagSafe charger for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, as well as a wireless charging pad for AirPods or AirPods Pro in its base. Apple's innovative magnetic technology makes charging the latest iPhones as easy as snapping them onto the dock. We like that the gadget doubles as a viewing stand with easily adjustable angles for watching videos or FaceTiming loved ones. Coming at number 4, Belkin Boost Charge 10-watt Fast Wireless. This stylish and incredibly versatile dock from Belkin gives you the option to place your smartphone in landscape or portrait mode while charging. Available in black or white, the Belkin Boost Charge wireless charging stand can rapidly charge any iPhone as well as any Android smartphones. The accessory is backed by an impressive 3-year warranty and comes with a wall plug and a 4-foot-long micro USB cable. Number 3, Sinji Moru iPhone Dock. If you're in search for a no-frills, nice-looking, and affordable iPhone docking station, then look no further than this minimalistic option from Sinji Moru. It's made from silicone and comes in black, gray, or white, includes a charging cable, and holds your phone at a 15-degree angle. This charger is stable. It works with cases up to 1.6 millimeters thick, and it has an anti-slip material on its base to prevent it from sliding around. Coming in at number 2, Native Union Dock Plus. The Native Union Dock Plus works with all iPhone and iPad models that are equipped with a Lightning cable. It features a beautiful, minimalistic design a high-quality finish, and a stable base. Best of all, you can still plug your iPhone into this docking station, even if it's wearing a case. This premium dock comes in black marble, and Native Union even throws in a durable and snag-resistant lightning cable in the box. Number 1. Elevation Lab Cord Dock V2. The Cord Dock V2 is unlike any other docking station we've come across. It's the only iPhone docking station that lets you dock and undock your phone while still continuing to charge it. This GIF illustrates how it works. Other docks have an irremovable lightning port, while this one offers you the flexibility of a standard charging cable, simultaneously giving you a place to set your iPhone upright. We love its tiny footprint, its long and durable charging cord, and appreciate its adjustable nature that allows you to use it with practically any iPhone case. It's 3 times faster than a wireless charger and is the perfect pick for your nightstand. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best iPhone docks. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.